Challenge eat my way through an entire city district.
Chongqing, wow. Heads up, my scale isn't broken. I just ate way too much. There's tons of Chongqing travel guides. I marked 143 spots this time.
Opening up Chongqing from different angles.
I always thought Chongqing mornings started with a bowl of noodles, but wandering the streets, I found lots of other options.
And these crispy dumplings, my, if you see them, frayed golden and crispy, coated in sugar and soybean powder, with a bowl of oil tea. Let's start breakfast.
Crispy outside, sweet. Red bean filling inside.
I had crispy dumplings when I was in Wuhan. Here they prefer using soybean flour.
It's crispy outside, glutinous inside.
Highly recommend the oil tea. If you haven't tried it, get a bowl. Rice porridge with 10 different toppings, plus some sunflower seeds, so fragrant and rich. I love oil tea so much. Had it at 2 places one morning. So fragrant mom says this one's better. Their seeds are more aromatic. I'm really into local specialties, so I got another bowl of white fungus porridge. It's got glutinous rice in it, also comes with various toppings, even has winter melon candy. Found the couple's breakfast stall on Xia Road, selling 3 yuan glutinous rice balls.
At this price, it better taste good. I thought something was wrong with my taste buds.
But it's actually really good.
We ate this 40 minutes later. The yuqiao inside super crispy. No need to wait in line at those popular spots. You can grab a duhe noodle bowl too. Doesn't this mean we're accepting savory duhe now?
Lift it from the middle like this.
Keep the duhe on the outside like that. Try not to break the duhua.
There's lean meat and mushrooms on top. So fresh. The duhe is so tender. Don't let the red oil fool you. It's actually quite mild. Not spicy at all. Let's climb stairs to burn off calories before the next place. Getting some iron cake and triangle pastries.
Has a bit of rice wine flavor. Slightly tangy, even the batter tastes good.
Triangle ones aren't salty. I think they're pretty tasty. Outside's crispy and crunchy.
Inside is tender Chongqing streets and alleys.
Have tons of food carts everywhere.
You guys should keep an eye out. This is a yuan per jin white cake. Oh, small bubble cake I got.
This rice fragrance when you hit 258. You can also hit Chongqing Bridge Market to buy 4 yuan per jin white cake, 5 yuan for 3 wheat cakes. This one's called corn cake, made with corn batter. Different flavors, 1 yuan each. They let you try samples. I think this one tastes best. Sweeter and more fragrant. 8 at 10 restaurants today. Here's the full summary. First place was a home-style restaurant. Ordered braised pork leg, boiled pork slices, and dried kidney stir-fry. When the boiled pork arrived, still bubbling hot, that aroma instantly makes you hungry. Thought I could handle Nanjing spice, but after a few bites, it got me good. I'm all sweaty. What? The pork hocks are great. Fat, tender, and soft. The skin's like tiger stripes. Your lean meat isn't tough either. I love the skin. Rich, but not greasy. 3 dishes cost 167 yuan. Great value for money. They really know how to cook pork hocks. If you like milder flavors, try the pork hock soup. Pick it up with chopsticks, it's all jiggly. 1 sip fills your mouth with collagen. With braised pork intestines and stir-fried sweet potato leaves. That's 71 yuan total. Really satisfying meal. If you're eating Jianghu cuisine. Pro tip, order less. I knew portions were big. Didn't know they're this big. The eggplant cage is pretty good. It's fried then topped with fish sauce. Really tangy. Also recommend the ginger rabbit. I picked out all your rabbit meat. 1 big bite, so good. Rabbit's really tender, it's spicy, numbing flavor. This corn dish, I got the plus version. Thought I'd take it home for snacks. The spicy chicken's just okay. Bit too salty and spicy for me. After this restaurant, I got really into rabbit meat. So I found a place that specializes in rabbit dishes. You can see we ordered way less this time. Fresh fried salt and pepper mushrooms. Super crispy like Cheetos. Tomato rabbit. Ordered by our spice wimp. He thinks the spicy rabbit's better though. I agree. This spicy rabbit has this aftertaste. That's kinda sweet. The seasoning's amazing. But the tomato rabbit's pretty tangy. I think it's good too. This restaurant, their spicy dishes really hit the spot. Spicy beef throat. Totally crispy. Perfectly seasoned. Spicy potatoes crispy outside, soft inside. I'll love potatoes forever. Wanted the spicy intestines. But they're out, got spicy squid instead. Also pretty good sushi too. Ordered everything, it's really crispy. Even the bones are soft. One downside though, all their spicy dishes taste pretty similar. Gets a bit boring, but I still think it's worth trying. These dishes cost 208 yuan. Per person, I recommend this place. Veggies 5 yuan. Meat dishes 10 yuan. Especially now that summer's here. Perfect for these cold dishes. With a bowl of pea soup. Simple food, but really satisfying. Garlic pork slices. Thick cut, sliced thin. Chili's fragrant, not too spicy. I had it with cold noodles. Also got pickled greens. Blanched bamboo shoots, 3 shred salad, and bitter melon. Whole meal was 40 yuan. Hot pot. Finally got to you. This time I didn't pick those fancy crowded places. Lots of people mention this spot. Though the dumplings are different, it doesn't look like some trendy spot. The dessert they brought first. I'm really happy with looks great and affordable. Hot pot place is making desserts. They've got skills too. This whole table's 245. Enough for 4 people, I think. Just so you know, about 60-70 per person. I totally overestimated myself. This place is probably the spiciest in this video. I'm really struggling here. Gotta rely on the fried pork and beef fried rice to cool down. This hot pot place makes amazing fried rice too. No use. Embarrassing, their spice is really subtle. The heat doesn't last long. When you eat other stuff, you don't feel the spice anymore, and after finishing this hot pot, it's not too salty or burning. This dried tofu's amazing. Number 1 in my book.
I totally recommend the skewers. Way better value. Small skewers are 350. Big ones are 2 yuan. You can try whatever you want. Got a large fried pork. It's like a mountain. 25 yuan the broth intensity. I think it's just right there. Meat's fresh too, of course. Iced glutinous rice balls and jelly. I always order these.
This bite's so good, it's amazing.
3 of us finished everything. Total was 110 yuan.
Then we had some free millet porridge. I really recommend frog lovers. Go to homemade frog fish buffet. It's 49 yuan per person. But with the soup base and all, it's about 50 something per person. It's absolutely incredible. Frog legs piled up like mountains. That garlic meat on the legs, so firm and tender. Perfect. I ordered the frog and yellow catfish pot. The little fish are tender too, deboned perfectly. The tofu cooked inside tastes great too. Rich bean flavor to accommodate tour group members who can't handle spice. I picked crispy roasted chicken for late night, fresh from the oven, skins like glass. If you need a huangbang, worth a try. Don't make a special trip though.
This is my alma mater.
Welcome to Chongqing University.
I've always believed there's tons of great food near schools. Right out of the subway, I grabbed a potato pancake, plus cold noodles and hot and sour noodles. Finally got the authentic taste. Now teach ice is hot and sour noodles. So flavorful. Perfect with a bite of crispy potato pancake. Really feels like school's out. This pancake has garlic, radish, and cilantro. I still can't get used to cilantro.
This tastes great. It's a bit sweet.
When the spicy noodles get too hot, I switch to cold noodles or grab a solo hot. Spicy soup, this bowl's 32 yuan. I'm not kidding. When I ordered any random takeout.
Costs over 30 bucks. This place isn't sketchy either.
Won't leave you parched after. Got grass jelly upstairs. Looks like 70% solids. If you get medium with a coupon, 9.9.
Look at all this stuff inside. Green beans, red beans, and these golden balls. Can't even see clearly. I drink bubble tea for the toppings. Getting another bowl of wontons. Love this spicy flavor. It's this complex seasoning blend. At first I thought it tasted like hot and sour noodles, but it's not as sour or spicy. It's more like sweet and sour with heat. Found a carb stand on the street. Saw this cornbread. No hesitation, got it right away. They're little white cakes. And this white sticky cake, I think tastes the best. Price is great too. Nice and chewy, definitely has more glutinous rice. Right, lots of sticky rice. Bought fried potatoes at the snack street by school. Originally, just got 1 serving. But my mom chatted with the boss, and he gave us another 1 free. Plus 3 flour cakes from his hometown. Wait, boss, can you really make money doing business like this? The only mediocre thing, here's this grilled fish. Lots of seasoning though. Smells great too, but the fish just isn't flavorful. Also ordered 2 iced jellies there. Don't know what to say. This is iced jelly from any random hot pot place in Chongqing. Not giving up, I found a roadside grilled fish place. Fresh killed, fresh grilled. Finally got it right. Charcoal grilling makes the skin crispy and fragrant. Totals 136 yuan. Around 40 per person. I heard some don't eat hot pot. Just chicken awful. I got a 2-person meal for 44.9. The portion's really satisfying. Best side dish is this pickled radish. Very tangy and appetizing. Chicken gizzards are pretty crispy too. Pour some sauce on top. Goes great with rice. There's a few spots in Yubei I like browsing. First hit Aegean for some rice jelly drink. Rice jelly isn't shrimp. It's made from rice paste. Basic version has brown sugar. You can add other toppings too. It's soft and smooth when you sip it. Perfect for summer. You can get rice jelly and ice jelly combo. Try a bit of everything, get to taste it all. Liang Xiao's best friend is Liang Gao. Regular Liang Gao's white. This one's made with black rice. The black rice fragrance really stands out. Topped with fermented rice wine plus brown sugar and soybean powder. Adds layers to the smooth texture. Liang Gao also has a best friend. That's iced tofu pudding. When I eat sweets now, I can't live without soybean flour. The texture's so silky smooth, with more milky flavor. Peach gum with rice wine. Milk ice on the bottom. Plum taro balls on top. Pretty low sweetness tofu. Pudding comes savory too. This is called floating on water. As the name suggests, super tender. Floating on water, dip it in sauce. Eat with rice plus fish-flavored pork. Twice cooked pork. Cold pork belly strips. Just dig in. I'd recommend trying tofu pudding rice. It's different from tofu brain. Tofu brain's more solid. Tofu pudding's got more air. More fluffy, also got spicy pig's feet. It's actually not as spicy as it looks. This whole Chongqing trip, how many pig's feet have I had? Speaking of tofu pudding, what I can't forget most is, this restaurant makes it best. It's super light and fluffy, like clouds. Great place for hosting dinners. Nice atmosphere, around 100 per person. Mapo tofu braised beef. Beef's tender and flavorful. Perfect with rice. Really spicy though. Also got kung pao shrimp balls. Boiled beef and pork buns were good. But this cabbage soup, pretty average broth's not fresh enough. All full now, let's walk around. Check out Chongqing's floating forest. Alright, back to our main mission. Barbecue tonight, really want grilled pork skin. And this grilled tofu skin, with garlic radish and scallions inside. Can't stand it anymore. Need this in my mouth right now. Finally got some. Every night, I see others eating. Finally got my grilled pork skin. So crispy and crunchy. Soft, chewy, and tender. The garlic radish really makes it pop. So meaty and plump. This place goes heavy on seasoning. Got my mouth all greasy. For noodles, I love going to Nanning, especially the 456-kilometer area. Dozens of amazing noodle shops here. All have their peak hours. Let me tell you, 2 liang of noodles is just 7 or 8 yuan. Who pays 10 plus yuan? I'd laugh at them. This eggs from my own chickens. Chongqing noodles don't have anything in them.
Just watercress or lettuce leaves. This is dry mixed noodles with offal. If I just ate this bowl, I'd think it's really good, but after trying their plain noodles, I prefer the thin noodle texture and the peppercorn flavor in the plain noodles, plus the spicy and numbing taste. It's more pronounced. My only regret is not ordering thin noodles with dry mixed offal before leaving.
This noodle shop in Yuzhang district should be pretty popular online, right? Their signature dish is fish flavored pork noodles. Got lost at the subway exit. Had to climb so many floors to get out there. Seasoning's pretty good. If you like rich, saucy food, give it a try, but for me personally, thought it was a bit mushy. You can prod, the noodles are cooked quite soft. I was exhausted, so just ate quickly. Finished 2 portions fast. Still thought it was too little. There's another place in Yuzhang. Had steamed lamb and lamb noodles. I'd recommend trying this. Rice flour coating the lamb. No gamey smell, not too spicy either. You drink the mutton soup like anywhere else. Just add your own salt. There's sweet potato underneath the meat.
This shop's inside a flower market.
Chongqing's got tons of markets and lots of hidden eats.
Like this lady's braised pork belly.
Fresh, fried guizhou chicken. 12 yuan veggie dishes by weight, mixed with spicy chicken seasoning. Keep an eye on subway exits too. Might find ceramic bowl tofu pudding. 3 yuan each, rolled in sugar and soybean powder. Thought the coating was just on top. When I bit in, it spilled everywhere. Wow, there's so much filling inside. They pack tons of stuff in there.
3 yuan, I heard some lady sells porcelain cakes with brown sugar. I didn't find her, but this one's really good. Cause it's got white sugar sweetness, it's just right.
Got it at the market for lunch.
Let's eat.
1 bite of fish soup. It's a bit fishy.
Smells amazing though.
If I was any hunk, I'd devour this right now.
I added bamboo shoots and mushrooms. Looks really red, don't let it scare you. Not spicy at all, but there's definitely oil. My face is all greasy now. For the pork belly, I picked fatty and lean. I like the fattier parts. Meat's not salty, this dish goes great with rice. So I eat the meat with veggies. Video's wrapping up. Before I go, gotta grab some stuff to take back. These milks are my daily drinks. Walnut flavor, fruit flavors. You guys should try them. Wow, this fermented smells strong. There's fermented rice bits in it. Wow, this tastes good. This place does glutinous rice fruit drinks too. Also really good. Kinda like yogurt. Like fermented rice smoothie. Very refreshing, perfect for summer. And this place specializes in frozen dumplings. That's incredible. Wow, this tastes amazing. Grape ice tang yuan so good. The grapes are huge, ice tang yuan so chewy. Plus mung bean ice tang yuan. Their whole menu. It's right in the feels. And those spiced beans.